video, I'll be giving you a review on this Cream of Nature shampoo and conditioner. Okay, guys? This will be my first time using this shampoo, so I'll be telling you guys what I feel it did to my hair. So you guys know that I've been using the CREME shampoo and conditioner. So now I'm going to be changing over to this shampoo that is the Cream of Nature. Okay, so they say it helps to hydrate and detangle hair. Okay, so I'll be using this from now on to see how well it goes with my 4C hair. Okay, guys? And for the conditioner, they said it helps to strengthen, impacts moisture, and prevent hair breakage. Okay, guys? So let's get into the video. So first, I'll be using the shampoo. My hair is already washed out with just water. So we'll be going in with the shampoo. So that's the amount I'm using. Guys, it's feeling good. So far, guys, I think I like the feeling that it's giving my hair so far. Okay, so I'm going to wash it out now, okay? I'll be right back. Guys, I would say that I like it so far. I like the way the shampoo lets my hair feel. So I would recommend it so far. I like the smell of it as well. It has a natural herb smell and I like it. So now we're going in with the conditioner. Smell nice too. Ooh. Guys, my hair feels so good. would recommend this shampoo and conditioner, guys. I would definitely recommend it. Trust me, I would. So I'm going to finish combing it out of camera. I'm going to finish combing it out of camera and then wash it out and then show you guys the ending result, okay? Stay tuned. It finishing results, and yeah, I like it. I love the way it lets my hair feel, so I would definitely recommend this shampoo and conditioner. Okay, yes guys, I would definitely recommend this shampoo and conditioner. You can go ahead and give it a try. All right, thank you so much for watching.